Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's probably on a lot of your minds. When can you withdraw money from your investments? Now, I know this can be a bit of a confusing question, especially if you're new to investing. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why it's important to understand when you can withdraw money from your investments. Think of it this way. Your investments are like a piggy bank. You put money in over time, and you hope to see it grow. But if you withdraw money too early, you could end up losing some of your potential gains. On the other hand, there are times when you might need to withdraw money from your investments, such as to pay for a down payment on a house or to cover unexpected expenses. So, it's important to find a balance between growing your investments and having access to your money when you need it. Now, let's get into the specifics of when you can withdraw money from your investments. There are a few different factors that will determine when you can withdraw money from your investments, including the type of investment account you have, the specific investment vehicle you're using, your age, your financial goals. Let's start with the type of investment account you have. There are three main types of investment accounts. Taxable investment accounts. These are the most common type of investment account. You can withdraw money from a taxable investment account at any time, but you will have to pay income tax on the gains. Retirement accounts. These are special types of investment accounts that are designed to help you save for retirement. You can withdraw money from a retirement account before you reach retirement age, but you will typically have to pay a penalty. Education accounts. These are special types of investment accounts that are designed to help you pay for college or other educational expenses. You can withdraw money from an education account without penalty if you use it for qualified educational expenses. Next, let's talk about the specific investment vehicle you're using. Different investment vehicles have different withdrawal rules. For example, you can typically withdraw money from a mutual fund or ETF at any time, but you may have to pay a fee. Your age is also a factor in when you can withdraw money from your investments. If you're under the age of 59 and a half, you may have to pay a penalty for withdrawing money from a retirement account. Finally, your financial goals will also play a role in when you can withdraw money from your investments. If you're saving for a specific goal, such as a down payment on a house, you may need to withdraw money from your investments sooner than if you're just saving for retirement. So, how do you know when it's the right time to withdraw money from your investments? There's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. It's important to consider your individual circumstances and financial goals. However, here are a few general tips. Don't withdraw money unless you absolutely need to. If you do need to withdraw money, try to do so during a market downturn. Be patient and don't sell your investments during a panic. By following these tips, you can help ensure that you're able to withdraw money from your investments when you need it, without sacrificing your long-term financial goals. In conclusion, it's important to understand when you can withdraw money from your investments. By doing so, you can make sure that you're using your money wisely and achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.